Hey everybody, so right now I am just taking out the compact disc and putting in a new compact disc, and I will be configuring the router. So right now it's in ROMMON, and I'm just going ahead and setting up that TFTP server on the router itself, and then on the computer behind the laptop it's already set up, so I'm just kind of getting everything mirrored. And right here I was getting an error about the subnet mask. It said it was illegal, so I looked it up to make sure that everything was in line, and then I looked over my configurations again just to make sure that everything was okay. And that's just me troubleshooting everything again. And sorry about this angle here, but say hello to Luffy. I didn't realize the camera had turned when I was recording this part right here. And this is just me constantly putting in that information for the TFTP server. And so here it is on the Windows machine. And I had to give it a couple of tries because it kept failing on me. And so that's why I keep going from the MacBook to the Windows. And then I pinged it because it kept failing so much, and it was unsuccessful. But I still kept trying, and eventually it worked. So here's that shot, and I had to keep stopping because I wasn't sure if it would fail again. And so now it actually went on to the computer, and I am so happy about that. Honestly, I was in disbelief, but yeah. So I just kept the camera rolling because I was not sure if it was gonna work or if it was going to fail on me again. And there it is. So it's decompressing right now, and I am just so happy. I was so happy in this moment just to see all of this, because every time I turned it on, it was on ROMMON, and I could not ever get this far with it. And so right here I kind of was scared to press enter. I wasn't sure if I would break anything because I was just in that much shock. So I kind of sat here and waited for a while. And so eventually I go ahead and press enter, and then there you have it. It is successfully configured. And here it is, just the ending where I write the mem, making sure that every time it boots up, it'll have the same configurations. So that's what this is. But yeah, I just wanted to share this process with you all, and I was happy that I was able to get it all on camera. And I'm just very thankful that I was able to go out and purchase this equipment as well. So this just goes to show, if you have equipment that may be throwing you an error, just, try and troubleshoot the problem the best way you can, and fix it yourself if it's able to be fixed.